Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking, Clean and Everything Between. Thank you so very much for tuning in. It's been quite a while that I haven't shared with you a cleaning video, so today I will do just that and I will show you how I get my oven nice and clean after all that holiday cooking. I hope this video inspires you to gather some simple products that you probably already have around your house and get your oven squeaky clean. So let's get into it. I will list all products I used in the description box below. And here's what my oven looked like prior to the cleaning. As you can see, it's pretty dirty with greasy spots all over from all the holiday cooking. I usually clean my oven once a month, but for the purpose of this video, I did let go a little longer. So it's been about 2 months that I have not done this deep oven cleaning. So you will be able to see how well these simple ingredients clean your oven. We're going to start by creating a homemade paste with vinegar, baking soda, and Dawn. So add to a bowl 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. Any vinegar is fine. I have a cup of Dawn and 1.5 cups of baking soda. You don't have to add the Dawn. I will add the Dawn today because, as I mentioned, it's been 2 months that I have not done this process. So I just want the help with all that extra grime. But just know that if you don't want to put Dawn, you don't have to. Just make this paste with the baking soda and the vinegar and that will work just fine. Now just mix everything well together until you get a consistency of toothpaste. With the paste done, I went ahead and removed the oven racks from the inside of the oven, and then I started spreading the paste all over, especially where I could see that nasty gunk. So just add some extra to those spots. Now you will let this paste sit for as long as you think your oven needs it. I usually let mine sit for a minimum of 2 hours. This paste is also great to clean the oven racks, so I will do the same as the oven. I'll just spread all over and I will let this sit for a while. And because I am in clean mode, I will clean my tea and coffee maker also. So to deep clean my coffee maker, I add water and about a tablespoon of vinegar and let that run. I do this to the tea and coffee maker every Saturday, but again, for the purposes of this video, I did skip last week, so they're pretty dirty. And for the tea maker, as you can see, it's pretty dirty inside. I'm just gonna add water all the way to the top and let that warm up, and I'll show you what I do next. The tea maker just stopped, so the water is nice and hot. And my hack to get this nice and clean is to add 2 tablets of Efferdent to it. You can find Efferdent in any grocery store or even at Amazon. And I'm not kidding you, this stuff is amazing. I found out about this product because I used to use braces, so now I have to use retainers, and Efferdent is absolutely fantastic to clean them, but I'm telling you, it cleans glass like nothing else. I also add 2 tablets to the coffee maker, but I did not get that on video. After 2 hours, it's time to remove the paste from the oven. So what I like to do is to have a small container with some water next to me, and the removal begins. I also like to use a microfiber cloth for this process, but you can definitely use whatever you have in hand. Paper towels or any other rag will work. And here you can really see all that grease that was stuck to your oven and you had no idea. Yuck. After removing most of the paste, I then add some water to the bottom of the oven and wash everything well. If you clean your oven any other way, or if you have any hacks to make this cleaning process easier, please share with us in the comments below. And take a look at the color of the water. Absolutely disgusting. And like that, your oven is nice and clean inside. Here I'm dumping the Efferdent water from the tea and coffee maker. I then wash everything well. Now I will clean my coffee maker inside, put everything back together, and do another full run with clean water. And look at that, the coffee stains are gone. Now let's clean the stovetop. Again, I will list all products I am using in this video in the description below for you. Just remember, I'm not sponsored by any of them. So first, I will spread the paste all over the stovetop. I then will scrape the stubborn spots with a razor blade. Scrub a little more. Then I go ahead and remove the paste with a damp microfiber cloth. Then I finish with this product because it always gives me a nice shine. Now I will dump the water from the coffee maker, and as you can see, it's nice and sparkly, nice and clean, no coffee stains. Now it's time to add the racks back into the oven. I did not film the cleanup of the racks, but all I did was to scrub the paste off with a regular sponge, wash them well, and let them dry. Now, to finish everything, I will clean the outside of the oven with some regular Windex, and for today we're done, but we will repeat at the end of the month. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe if you're new here, and hit the bell so you won't miss any other video from the channel. Now, let's check the before and after, shall we? As always, my lovelies, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video, and I will see you next week. Ciao!